Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com bringing you the latest look once again at tropical cyclones and the continued United States tornado outbreak already in progress. So, cyclone-wise, first off, this is not a real thing over here. What is it, 82 AL? That's not a real storm. The season has not started over there. However, this very much is a real storm. This is Tapa, or however this is pronounced, per the National Weather Service office. Out in Guam, there's a tropical storm warning in effect and a typhoon watch in effect for this storm. So because of the tornado threat, we're going to jump right over to the United States severe thunderstorm weather. Let's go ahead and refresh this and see if this is the latest. So these are the tornado warnings in effect at the moment. So all over the place. Here are let's refresh this as well. Here are the warnings, all of the warnings, the severe thunderstorm and the tornado warning. So we've got stuff going on all over the place. To give you an overview, this is basically day 2. Yesterday was very massive. Today, very massive as well. This is going to be tomorrow, day after that, and then hopefully quiet. So let's talk about today's threat. There is, of course, the public weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, where they're expecting an outbreak of tornadoes again. Here is the specific probability of wind, 30% chance there. Here's the specific probability of hail. We'll come back to this in a second. And this, of course, is the most important map. This is the tornado probability. So there are two things going on. As of the most recent outlook, they added this 30% area. So basically, same story as yesterday, where in the, the 2000-hour outlook, the Storm Prediction Center put a high-risk area. Yesterday, it was about here. Today, it's here. So that is your 30% chance. So very high tornado probabilities. And you've also, as well as yesterday, they had that too, the black hatched area. So where the black hatched area is where the models are favoring strong tornadoes. And of course, there's already been indications that there have been strong tornadoes today. Definitely strong tornadoes yesterday. We'll go back to the hail map now that we've talked about that. So similar-ish story on this. Hail would be there's as high as a 45% chance of 1 inch or larger hail. The black hatched area is where the models are indicating that there could be significant hail, the 2 inch or larger hail. So that is today. So basically, and I mean, if you look as like the 2% area is just covering a massive amount of the country today. And if we go back here, here's a feature. If you go to the top of severeweatheroutlook.com, and for instance, you can drag this around to see where the various threats are. And of course, it should auto find your location. But for instance, this area here, 30% chance of tornado, 45% chance of hail, and they're in the bullseye tomorrow as well. So let's talk about tomorrow. So tomorrow, as of right now, moderate risk. However, to give you some history, today and yesterday, it both started out as moderate risks, and the Storm Prediction Center ended up upgrading parts of the area to a high risk by the 2000-hour outlook. 2000, that's like, I don't know, 3 o'clock in the afternoon Central Time or something of the sort. So again, what we have here is as high as a 45% chance as of the moment, and then the black hatched area. If you go on to read the text, which there's a whole bunch of it, this is looking like this could be either very large hail, very strong tornadoes, or both. But tomorrow we'll find out what the Storm Prediction Center is actually saying about what they believe the significant areas will be. Then that, again, is the black hatched area. Day after that, 30% chance. However, as of now, no black hatched area. That's a good thing. But if I remember correctly, yesterday, this day's forecast did not have the black hatched area either. So this could end up possibly with a significant area, but we'll find out. So that is day 3. Day 4, finally potential too low. So hopefully we'll be rid of that system and it will be quiet and relaxed for a very long time, hopefully forever. So yes, again, another big tornado day. Tornado warnings already in progress. Big tornadoes already on the ground and such. So you should already, if you're in an affected area, obviously be taking appropriate shelter. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website that you can go to, but today, day like this, you should basically have like a radio. If you have a weather radio, make sure the weather radio is plugged in and works and stuff. You should have like possibly a normal radio or a TV going on in the background and keeping you up to date, because if a threat You know, today is the kind of day where you might like to have a little bit of advanced warning rather than when the warning is actually for your area. You might like to know that you're about to end up in one. So, yes, that is today. Hopefully, today you stay safe.